Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create professional beats in BandLab on PC. BandLab is a free cloud-based DAW digital audio workstation that lets you make beats, record vocals and produce full songs right from your PC. And you do not need expensive gear, you just creativity and BandLab tools. So first what you can do is open any of the web browser you prefer. In the top there's an address bar, type down bandlab.com and enter it here. And once you get into this interface of your BandLab, make sure you have already logged into your account as well. And you can also select for this new project, or you can simply go to the pre-recorded project as well. Go to the studio under here as well. Once it loads, what you can do is you can also use the drum machine or the loops. Over here you can select to this a drop a loop in audio, media or video file as well, and it will lead you to this library. You can select any of the loop as well. You can arrange your beats. Over here you can mix like a pro as well. In order to mix like a pro, you need to adjust the volume. In the left hand side you can find voice audio. You can select to this voice audio volume, and you can also select to this instruments. And after that you can go to this FX effects on the bottom here and go to this add effect here, and you can go to this EQ and you can select to this bass, brighter, visual EQ as well. And after you're done, you can select to this save in the top right corner, and that is it. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.